How's everybody doing? Got a box I've had here sitting, I don't know, probably close to a month. Let's check it out. It's the network exclusive King Saladeen JP the Money Bear figure. Let me just move this. Got it pretty tight in this box. Bubble wrap. The presentation is amazing. Okay, so this was the network exclusive Beyond the Streets. King Saladeen. Bear season motivational figures. And knock over the cards. But anyway, let's open it up. Got stuffed with the money signs. I mean, the packaging is A+. Stuffed with the money sign. But this is what we're looking for. JP the Money Bear. This was the week Network app did. Basically Art Basel for the weekend. Different artists, different products, prints. Let me see, what am I looking for? That's right, I put those away. But anyway, when they did that, they released a box of the GPK Beyond the Streets. Awesome. Every artist did their rendition. King Saladeen was one of the artists. But I don't have his card right now. I sent it to get slabbed at PSA. So I won't be having that for a while. Because if I'm correct, I did that bulk. So this is the other one I have. So now we got two. It's the Blanco. Oh, I didn't know that. 24 out of 99. I forgot these are numbered. So yeah, these are numbered. I forgot all about that. Like I said, I had it sitting there for a while. Yeah, these. Yeah, this one isn't numbered. This one isn't numbered. But this one is numbered to 99 in the world. The Blanco JP the Money Bear. Goes good with the collection. Let's see what's the next release of the figures for him. But comment below if you ended up getting one or have any of them. Just a mess of cards. But yeah. Nice display pieces. Yeah, a quick unboxing of the Money Bear figures. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram, Twitter, eBay, weekly auctions, and I'm out.